Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about effect of heat energy. We know that heat is one form of energy. When a certain amount of heat energy is given to a substance, it will undergo one or more of the following changes. So what are the changes? First one, temperature of the substance rises. Then the substance may change its state from solid to liquid or from liquid to gas. Then the substance will expand when heated. So the rise in temperature is in proportion to the amount of heat energy supplied. That means if the heat energy is more, the rise in temperature is also high. It also depends on the nature and mass of the substance. So in this session, we will discuss about the expansion of substances due to heat. Expansion of substances. When heat energy is supplied to a body, there can be an increase in the dimension of the object. This change in the dimension due to rise in temperature is called thermal expansion of the object. So when heat energy is supplied to a body, there is an increase in the dimension of the object. So this change in dimension is known as thermal expansion of the object. So the expansion of liquids, example, mercury can be seen when a thermometer is placed in a warm water. So that's why mercury is used in clinical thermometer. Then all forms of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, undergo expansion on heating. So all forms of matter undergo expansion on heating. So let us learn them one by one. So first one, expansion in solids. When a solid is heated, the atoms gain energy and vibrate more vigorously. This results in the expansion of the solid. For a given change in temperature, the extent of expansion is smaller in solids than in liquids and gases. This is due to the rigid nature of solids. So when a solid is heated, the atoms gain energy and vibrate more vigorously. This results in the expansion of the solid. So compared to liquid and gases, the extent of expansion is in solid is smaller, because it is rigid in nature. So the different types of expansion of solid is listed here: linear expansion, superficial expansion and cubical expansion. Linear expansion. When a body is heated or cooled, the length of the body changes due to change in its temperature. So look at the picture. When a body is heated or cooled, the length of the body changes due to change in its temperature. Then the expansion is said to be linear or longitudinal expansion. So the ratio of increase in length of the body per degree rise in temperature to its unit length is called as the coefficient of linear expansion. So the SI unit of coefficient of linear expansion is Kelvin inverse. The value of coefficient of linear expansion is different for different materials. So this is linear expansion. When a body is heated or cooled, the length of the body changes. So this is original length. Then after the body is heated, the length of the body changes due to change in its temperature. So the ratio of increase in length of the body, that is delta L, increase in the length per degree rise in temperature to its unit length, that is original length, is known as coefficient of linear expansion. The equation relating the change in length and the change in temperature of a body is given here, that is delta L by LO is equal to coefficient of linear expansion. So here delta L is change in length, that is final length minus original length. Then LO is original length. Then delta T, change in temperature, that is final temperature minus initial temperature. Then coefficient of linear expansion, alpha L. So this equation relating the change in length and the change in temperature of a body. Students, hope you all understood about expansion of substances, that is expansion in solids. Thank you.